To know when to use has or have in your sentences. Come with me. I will show you simple trick to know when to use has or have. Now, has is used with the singular pronouns it, he, she, it, and any singular noun. While have is used with I, we, you, they, and plural nouns. So it is safe to say I have, we have, you have, they have. And plural nouns could be students, it could be birds, it could be objects, it could be anything that is more than one. Okay, now let's see the sentences on the board and determine what would be the answer. Now, my parents dash a joint account. Should it be my parents have or my parents have? Now, you consider the subject. My parents, is it talking about one person or more than one? Now, if it is one, you use has. If it's more than one, you use have. The second sentence, the boy dash returned. The boy dash returned. Should it be has or have? Now put in the comment section the answer that you think is the correct one. I am Teacher Concord. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in our next video. Bye.